Hello everyone, this is Ma'am Amano. In this lecture video is all about the percent composition by mass. We already know the chemical formula of a given compound, but however, suppose we needed to verify the purity of a compound for use in the laboratory experiment. From the formula, we could calculate what percent of the total mass of the compound is contributed by each element. So then by comparing the result to the percent composition obtained experimentally for the sample, we could determine the purity of the sample. So that is the purpose of percent composition by mass, by determining the purity and the distribution of the element in a given compound. So to get that, the percent composition of an element in terms of percent by mass, this is the formula. So percent composition of an element in a compound is equivalent to the number of number of pieces, okay, or moles, and then multiply to the molar mass of the element in a compound over the molar mass of the compound, the total molar mass. Here, we have here the individual per element of the compound. Then multiply to 100%. So, for example, I have here hydrogen peroxide, this one. So, to get the percent composition of each element in this compound, you have to get first the molar mass of this compound. To get that again, you have to multiply the subscript or the number of pieces of the elements in this compound into its respective atomic weight or atomic masses. So, for example, for hydrogen, this is the number of hydrogen. We have 2 and then multiplied to its atomic weight. You will have this value. For oxygen, that is 2 multiplied to its atomic weight. You have this value. Then add. This is now the molar mass of the compound. Now, we can substitute these values in the formula for this one. So, since we are finding the percent composition of the element, we have here, first, we have to find the percentage of the hydrogen here, the distribution. So, we have here the number of hydrogen, and then the atomic weight of hydrogen, this one. Then, over the molar mass, which is 34.01445, then times 100%, you will have 5.926%. Although, that will be 5.925 blah, 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 blah numbers. You have to limit the decimal place into 3 as always on this case. So, you will have this value. And then, to get the percent composition or the percentage attributed for oxygen in this element, you will have percent of oxygen is equivalent to the number of oxygen, which is 2, and then the atomic weight, which is this value, 15.9994, then over the molar mass of the hydrogen peroxide times 100%, then we will have 94.074%. Then if you will add that up, that is equivalent to 100%. Each of these should contain 100%, and therefore, if you ask, what is the percentage of hydrogen, okay, by mass in the hydrogen peroxide, then the answer is 5.926%. Then if you ask, what is the percent of distribution by mass of the oxygen in the hydrogen peroxide, then the answer is 94.074%. Okay? So that is the level of purity or the distribution. Another example I have here, the phosphoric acid, H3PO4. The first thing that we need to do is find the molar mass. So, to find that, you have to multiply the individual numbers of this element into their respective atomic mass. So, for hydrogen, we have 3 pieces of that multiplied to its atomic weight. We have this value. For phosphorus, we have this 1 piece of that, then multiplied to its atomic mass, which is this one, the answer. Then, for oxygen, we have 4 of that multiplied to its value of atomic weight. Then, we have this value. Then, add that up, you will have the molar mass of 97.99482 grams per mole. And then after that, we can already find the percent composition of each element in the phosphoric acid. So in this case, we have here the percentage of hydrogen. To find that, that is the number of pieces of hydrogen, then multiplied to its atomic weight, or this one. Okay, and then over the molar mass of the phosphoric acid. So, you will have this value of percentage times 100. And then for phosphorus, percent of phosphorus in this compound, you will have 1 piece of that and multiplied to its atomic weight of the phosphorus over the molar mass of the phosphoric acid times 100. This is the percentage. For oxygen, that is 4 pieces times its atomic weight over the molar mass of the phosphoric acid. You will have this percentage, 65.307%. as multiplied by 100%. Then add that up, that will be 99.999 or 100%. So if you are asked what is the percentage of hydrogen in the phosphoric acid, the answer is 3.085%. If you are asked what is the percentage of phosphorus, that will be in the phosphoric acid, that will be 31.607%. For oxygen, the percentage in this one is 65.307%. So if you're asked, what element has the highest percentage of purity or distribution among this compound, or in this compound, that is the oxygen having the 65.307%, while the smallest one is the hydrogen here. So that is how you determine the percent composition of elements in a compound by means of its mass. So that is all for this lecture video.